Hi friends, in this session I would like to explain about renaming a file. For that I am creating a process definition. Select a process definition. I am renaming this process definition as rename file. Click on apply. Open this process. Add resources. Right click. Go to add resources. Go to file. Select rename file. Okay. Select this transition and draw from start to rename, from rename to end. Okay, this rename file config in the configuration panel we have 4 tabs: configuration, input, output, error output. In the configuration tab we have name, description, overwrite, and create non-existing, create destination directory. Okay, in the input we have 2 input parameters. First one is from file name, it can be called as source name. To file name, it can be called to destination file name. Okay, in this example now I want to change this file. Its location is in my computer, under D drive, under file folder there is a file, a text file with the name A. Now I want to change it to B. Here we have to give source file name, like it's D drive, under file folder slash a.txt to the target file name. Okay, click on apply. Click on apply, save this project and run it. Okay, now the job is created and successfully completed. Let us see while is file changed or not. Yes, now observe file A changed to file B. Okay, this overwrite option, for example the target file name is already exist. In that situation it gives an exception. If you want to overwrite the target file name, we have to check this option. In this example, let's create one more file. File name, text file A. Now I want to change A to B. Here file B is already exist. Okay, let's go to input. Now our source is A and target is B. Now run it. See, we have got an exception that the B file is already exist. Okay, if you want to override the file B, check this option. Okay, click on apply, save this project and run it. See, now the job is created and completed successfully. See, the world file B is deleted and the A is renamed to B. Okay, using this rename activity we can move the file from one location to another location. Now in this example I want to move this file B to another folder. Let's create a new folder. Go to, I'm creating a folder dir. Okay, now I want to move this file name into dir directory. Okay, let's change the input parameters. Okay, our source file is, it's B. I want to move this file to dir/B. Okay, click on apply, save this project and run it. Now the job is created and completed. See, the now B is moved to under dir directory. Now I want to move the file which is inside dir directory into another directory which is not exist. In that situation, our project, the create file, the rename file activity will gives an exception. To create that base directory, we have to check this option. Let us test it. Okay, now our source file is in this location. I'm copying it and pasting here. I want to change this file to new directory, but new dir is not exist. Okay, click on apply, clear all, load and okay. Now see, the new directory is not exist, it is throwing an exception. Now if you want Tibco to create the new directory, check this option, click on apply and run it. Now see, the job is successfully completed. Let us check whether the file is moved or not. See, inside the directory dir the file is not present, and inside new dir it is present. Means it's moved from one location to another location. Even though the base directory is not exist, we can move the file by checking this create destination directory option. Okay. The possible errors which we can get are file not found, illegal rename exception, file already exists, and file input output exception. This exception will occur if the source file is not exist. Illegal rename exception will occur when you the naming file is avoiding, it means you are giving illegal naming format. The file already exists exception. If the target file is already exist, you will get this exception, file input output exception. If the rename file is unable to do action, that means unable to read and move the file, in that situation we will get file input output exception. Thank you for watching. For more important videos and interview questions, please visit mytibco.com. Thank you.